A day of my life with my autism son. It's early morning again, the second day of school. And here he is, Zion Dre, my brave little warrior. Every step he takes is more than just a routine. It's courage in motion. Sa mga batang may autism, mahirap ang pagbabago. Maraming tao, bagong lugar, at may ingay na paligid. Pero ngayon, muli niya itong hinaharap. I watch him walk with quiet strength, holding tightly onto his comfort, his rhythm. His world may be different, but his heart is just as full of hope, wonder, and silent dreams. To other parents like me, I see you, I feel you. Every small victory counts. This isn't just a second day of school. It's another chance for him to shine in his own way. Riding his favorite tricycle on the way to school. Para sa ibang bata, simpleng biyahe lang ito. Pero para sa anak kong may autism, isa itong malaking hakbang. Tahimik lang siya, pero ramdam ko ang kanyang tapang. Sanay na, pero bawat araw, isang panibagong pagsubok. With his comfort in hand, eyes on the road, this is how he begins his day. He may not express things like other children do, but I know. Deep inside, he's excited too. His world may be different, but his love for routine and his quiet determination inspire me every day. Sa bawat biyahe na ganito, I am reminded how brave he is. This is not just a ride. This is part of his journey, and I'm proud to be with him every step of the way. After a long day at school, he deserves a little reward. And what better way to celebrate than his favorite Jollibee? Look at that smile, that calm joy. Para sa kanya,